You know, you don't have to learn from me. I'm going to leave you very soon. But remember, you can learn from your own songs. You shall never go wrong. I said it. The most beautiful thing you have ever created are your own songs. And you can learn from them. And you shall never go wrong. Your songs are perpetual, timeless. They are beautiful. They came to you from God itself. They are sacred songs of tomorrow. They are sacred songs of the Age of Aquarius. They are sacred songs of people of dignity, destiny, and noble people. These are the songs of the planet Earth for tomorrow. You can sing them with love, with pride, with pleasure. Do you know you have the most beautiful songs ever time and space could experience it? You don't need to learn from anybody. Sometimes you don't like people. Don't hate them, but you have the right to dislike, as you have the power to like. You have the power to believe and disbelieve. Just understand, what is life about? Life is a simple fight. It's a war between wild and value. Wild has no value, value has no wildness in it. It's the